Nestled on the southern stretch of Rio de Janeiro, Copacabana Beach epitomizes Brazil's vibrant culture and captivating natural beauty. Known globally for its sweeping crescent of golden sand and crystal blue waters, Copacabana is more than just a beach. It's a destination that pulsates with life and history. Today, we invite you on an incredible tour to discover the heart of this iconic locale. Our journey begins at the world-renowned Copacabana Palace. Built in 1923, this luxurious hotel has hosted a myriad of celebrities and dignitaries, becoming a symbol of opulence and elegance. As you stand before its splendid facade, imagine the stories and glamour that have graced its halls over the decades. The hotel is not just a place to stay. It is a testament to the golden age of travel, a lingering whisper of a bygone era of splendor. Step onto the promenade, and the iconic black and white wave pattern beneath your feet will instantly capture your attention. Designed by Brazilian architect Roberto Burle Marx, this mosaic represents the meeting of land and sea, elegantly embodying the unity of natural and human artistry. As you stroll along this artistic path, take a moment to absorb the vibrant life around you. Beachgoers playing soccer, vendors selling local delicacies, and the ever-present rhythm of samba music in the air. Moving closer to the sea, the cool Atlantic breeze greets you. Copacabana's waters invite you in for a refreshing dip, or, for the more adventurous, a surfing session. The beach's gentle waves appeal to both novice swimmers and seasoned surfers, offering a playground of aquatic delight. As seagulls soar above, the horizon stretches infinitely, a perfect meeting of sky and sea. As evening approaches, the beach undergoes a transformation. The sun sets, casting a golden hue over the sands, and Copacabana's nightlife begins to awaken. The beachfront kiosks light up, offering tantalizing Brazilian treats like pão de queijo and fresh coconut water. These local flavors are a culinary reflection of Brazil's rich heritage, a taste of the country's soul. Our tour would be incomplete without mentioning the vibrant events that frequently take place here. From New Year's Eve fireworks that illuminate the sky in a dazzling display, to international music festivals that draw artists and fans from around the globe, Copacabana Beach is a stage for unforgettable experiences. As we conclude our tour, it becomes clear that Copacabana is not just a destination, but a tapestry of natural splendor and human activity. It is a place where the past and present interweave, creating a dynamic cultural landscape that is as captivating as it is diverse. Whether you're soaking up the sun or dancing the night away, Copacabana Beach is a paradise that invites all to discover its heart. Thank you for joining us on this journey. We hope this tour has inspired you to experience Copacabana Beach for yourself, to walk its sands and embrace its spirit. Until next time, may your travels be filled with discovery and joy.